Have you ever put your heart and your soul into something that you created and then had to hand it over to someone else, or maybe you sold it to someone else? I am having withdrawals from my house right now. Basically, I got to talking with the new owner's father, and they told me all of the wonderful new updates they're going to do to this house. They were talking about tearing down the porch, and they were also talking about remodeling some rooms, and they even invited me over when they were done to see how well they did. And I would so love to look at this house and see it changed and be so proud of someone for doing such a good job. But at the same time, I have poured my heart and soul into this house. Like the basement, my husband and I refinished by ourselves. We didn't hire anybody. We did the drywall, it comes before drywall. The framing, the drywall, you know, the taping, the mudding, the sanding. I mean, I still have sand in places I didn't know I had. In the house, not on me, obviously. But there's just so many things that I did. I redid the fireplace and put a really cool set of tiles on it, and then I also put those same tiles underneath the sink area. I did the whole backsplash of the sink area, and I redid the whole kitchen, and I redid the whole bathroom, and I was just kind of devastated to hear them talk about all these cool updates. They said updates. I didn't know my house was out of date. All these cool updates that they're going to make to the house, and how I will like it so much, and how they're going to have me over to see it. And I feel like if I came over to see it after they changed a bunch of things, and, you know, things that I've done obviously will be, you know, demolished or whatever. And I just feel like I want to cry about it because I put so much work into this house. So that's kind of my little rant for now, but it saddens me to know that things are going to get torn down and things are going to get changed. If you have recently gone through a home selling experience, tell me in the comments if you had those same kind of feelings, like, oh, they're gonna, you know, mess up my house, but it's not my house anymore. So anyway, that's going to be it for now. I will keep you guys updated on like every single thing that happens with this house. I actually have another little story to tell you about the buying and selling of the Victorian house and this house, but I'll save that for another day. So for right now, I want to say thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my little story times about real estate. Some of them can get pretty crazy. Also, I'm going to leave a playlist of everything that's going on with the purchasing of the Victorian house and selling of this house. So be sure to check that out, and I'll leave a playlist of some fun DIY things as well. So I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.